There's some more breaking news coming in at this moment. I believe this is a gesture, a nice gesture on the part of the Aam Aadmi Party that they've decided to invite the entire Modi cabinet for swearing in. They've also decided to invite Anna Hazare and Kiran Bedi for the swearing in ceremony at the Ram Leela Maidan. So that's actually what is going to happen. Invitations are in fact going to be rolled out for the 14th of February at the Ram Leela Maidan. We have Ankit Tyagi joining us. Ankit, fill us in with all the details. Who all are on that guest list?
Well, Sanket, this time the Aam Aadmi Party, of course, extending invitation not only to the President and the Prime Minister, but what sources are telling us that the entire Union Cabinet would be invited, along with the 7 MPs, and all of these 7 MPs from Delhi belong to the BJP. Anna Hazare, of course, would be sent an invitation. He was sent an invitation last time also, but he did not come, in fact, last time because he did not approve of Arvind Kejriwal joining politics. Kiran Bedi, against whom a fierce campaign and Arvind Kejriwal won. In fact, she was the contender for the top post from the BJP. She would also be invited for this ceremony. Apart from this, what we have just learned from the sources is that they are going to publish ads in the newspapers inviting everybody, the entire Janta of Delhi, to come and take part in at the Ram Leela Maidan for the 14th February celebrations. In fact, a radio ad is already on air in which Arvind Kejriwal is thanking people and is asking them to come. Very interesting, this radio ad, in fact, and as it was put on air 6 p.m. yesterday itself. So very quickly the party cashing in on their victory and sending out invites, asking people to join them in this victory. We're calling it a victory of the people of Delhi. But as far as the cabinet is concerned, remember, Sanket, the BJP had put it all in. The entire cabinet was in fact in Delhi at the time of campaign. Various ministers were doing press conference every single day. So in a way, a nice gesture also, and many also seeing it as Arvind Kejriwal almost rubbing it in. But that time has just gone by. This time it's a different Arvind Kejriwal, and he would, till the time he can, would avoid any confrontation as far as the centre is concerned.
Absolutely. And Arvind Kejriwal in his first stint, Ankit Tyagi, was known as this no-nonsense, very, very highly confrontationalist, agitationalist, anarchist. Everything was associated with Arvind Kejriwal. In his second stint, he would have to learn the art of statecraft, perhaps, to be actually the champion of the cause that he has actually undertaken. As a tweet this morning to Arvind Kejriwal says, which is quite obviously summing up the mood of the national capital, it says, "Congratulations, Arvind Kejriwal. We all have huge expectations from you. Please don't let another Kejriwal rise again. Let one be enough. Jai Hind." So that's one tweet by a citizen of Delhi to Arvind Kejriwal, which actually sums up the sentiment here in the national capital as far as expectations from Arvind Kejriwal is concerned.